Hello everyone, welcome back to Dressytreats. Today, we are going to cook a delicious and healthy carrots too. You're going to need 150 grams peeled and boiled carrots, 2 medium-sized big onions, 5 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, curry leaves and pandan, 1½ teaspoon crushed pepper, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon fenugreek, ¼ teaspoon mustard seeds, salt to taste, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1 tablespoon oil. First add fenugreek, turmeric and salt to the carrot. Heat some oil. Add mustard seeds. When mustard seeds pop, add garlic, ginger and mix. Add onion. Curry leaves and pandan. Add carrots. Add pepper and mix well. Add a little coconut milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add remaining coconut milk. Cook until the milk boils. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.